So it's July 20, Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. It's been 3 days, 4 days na wala akong ginawa kasi I was sick. Um, Lagnat, fatigue, tapos may sprain pa sa kamay. So, wala akong masyadong ginawa these past few days. Actually, wala talaga. Bed rest lang tsaka gamot. Not even eat well, pero today we're trying to get back kasi wala naman na akong lagnat. Gumagaling naman na yung sprain. So, babalik tayo sa 3 days na na-miss ko sa top rank. Ayun. Thankfully, 3 days lang yung na-miss ko kasi most of them are, some of the days were like off days. Ganun. And luckily, yung next week ko, off week namin. So, I have all the time to catch up. But at the same time, syempre, the main goal here is to get my groove back. Oh my God! Get my groove back sa pagiging productive. Pero still, syempre, I'm still taking it slow kasi nga galing ko lang sa sakit. So, let's see kung ano yung magagawa natin today. But, ito yung arm ko. I don't know kung kita siya, pero ayan, may this. Damn. Yep. Na-sprain kasi nadulas. Kitin ko, ayan. Ayan siya. So, ganito ako mag-bandage nung kamay ko. And hindi siya yung ideal na tinuturo talaga. Pero kasi, yung affected area ko, hindi lang siya yung tipong dito lang, pati dito. So, I had to wrap the bandage here sa thumb ko rin para ma-stabilize din siya. So, talagang nagkaroon ng mga crease or mga folds. Pero, it's not the ideal, pero I think okay lang kasi it manages it. Ooh, yeah. Yes. Hazelnut.